Every year, millions of people around the world pause to watch a single moment. The British royal family's Christmas tradition, a symbol of unity, stability, and history. But in recent years, that tradition has been surrounded by controversy. Headlines claimed sabotage, carefully timed revelations, and royal disruption. At the center of it all, Meghan Markle. Was this a coincidence? Or was it a calculated move that shook the monarchy? Tonight, we examine the facts, not opinions, not emotions, only truth. Meghan Markle, an American actress best known for her role in Suits, married Prince Harry in May 2018. Their wedding symbolized change. Modern values meeting centuries-old tradition. But behind palace walls, tensions quietly grew. By early 2020, Harry and Meghan stepped back from royal duties, a decision later known as Megxit. They moved first to Canada, then to California, seeking privacy, independence, and control over their own narrative. But leaving the royal family did not end public interest. It intensified it. The controversy didn't begin with one interview or one documentary. It emerged through timing. Major announcements, emotional interviews, and media releases often appeared close to royal events, especially during Christmas. For critics, this raised questions. Was it coincidence or strategy? Supporters argued the couple had the right to speak freely. Critics believed it diverted attention from long-standing royal traditions. And once that narrative began, it never truly stopped. December 2020. During a quiet royal Christmas, Harry and Meghan released messages emphasizing independence and emotional well-being. December 2021. Public discussions around mental health and royal pressures resurfaced, again near the holidays. December 2022. Netflix released Harry and Meghan, a global documentary series revealing deeply personal experiences. It dominated headlines just days before the royal family's Christmas broadcast. December 2023 and 2024. Public appearances, brand projects, and strategic announcements again aligned with royal moments. Some called it coincidence, others called it calculated. British tabloids reacted strongly. Words like sabotage, betrayal, and attention politics filled headlines. International media, however, took a softer tone, framing it as a family conflict magnified by fame. Public opinion split sharply. Some praised Meghan for challenging tradition. Others believed royal boundaries were crossed. Social media only intensified the divide. Meghan and Harry have never admitted to intentional disruption. In interviews, they spoke about mental health, media pressure, personal truth. They repeatedly stated they wanted control over their own story. At times, silence became their strategy, allowing speculation to fill the gaps. Financially, the couple secured major deals with Netflix, Spotify, and publishers, but not without consequences. Some partnerships ended early. Public trust became divided. Criticism grew louder. Within the royal family, relationships reportedly weakened, especially between Prince Harry and Prince William. The cost wasn't just financial, it was personal. Confirmed facts. Media releases matched royal timelines. Family tensions were publicly acknowledged. Criticism of royal systems was openly expressed. Unproven claims. Deliberate sabotage. As coordinated attacks. Intentional harm. There is no verified evidence of a planned attempt to destroy royal traditions. So what is the truth? A calculated disruption, or a painful clash between tradition and personal freedom? History may one day answer that question. Until then, the story remains open, and the judgment is yours to make. And